Okay, here is our review for Chapter 10A. First question, in Minnesota, standard license plates consist of 3 numbers followed by 3 letters. How many license plates are possible if repeated digits are allowed? So, first up, we've got 3 numbers. So, a reminder, there are 10 possible digits. And 3 letters, there are 26 possible letters. So 1, 2, 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3 letters. And then if we're allowed to repeat, we can use all 10 digits each of the 3 times. And we can use all 26 letters in all 3 spots. So multiply those all together. And we get 17,576,000 and the 3 zeros. Yep. All right, question 2. You love salad. You have 6 different types of lettuce growing in your garden. You want to make a salad with 2 different types of lettuce. How many different salads can you make? So here, it doesn't matter what order we pick the type of lettuce. They're both going in the salad. So this is a combination. So we have 6 different types. We're picking 2 to go in the salad. So 6C2. We can use the NCR button on the calculator. And we've got 15 options here. Next question, in how many distinct ways can you arrange the letters of algebra? So we need to know how many total letters we've got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we need to look at repeated letters. So we've got 2 A's, but nothing else repeats. So we do 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which 2 factorial is just 2, so you don't have to type the exclamation point there. And we get 2,520 different ways we can rearrange the letters. The student senate in a different school consists of 6 seniors, 5 juniors, 4 sophomores, and 3 freshmen. How many different committees of exactly 2 seniors and 2 juniors can be chosen? So committees, anything where we're not caring about like the order, so it's not a president and a vice president and a secretary or anything, it's just 2 people on the committee. This is going to be a combination again. So for seniors, we've got 6C2 times the juniors, where we've got 5C2. So multiply those together. And we get 150 different committees we could make up of those students in those classes. All right. The student senate in a different school, so same setup, consists of 6 seniors, 5 juniors, 4 sophomores, and 3 freshmen. How many different committees of 4 students can be chosen that contain at least 2 juniors? So this would be 2 or 3 or 4. There's only 4 students total on the committee, so even though there are 5 juniors, we're only going to have 2 on the committee. So our 2 categories here are juniors and not juniors. So we've got 5 total juniors, but we've also got all the kids who are not juniors. So we have to add up our 6 seniors plus the 4 sophomores and the 3 freshmen, and we've got 13 not juniors. So for each of these committees, we've got to think about how many juniors and how many not juniors are going to be part of the group. So for the 2, we've got 5C2 times 13C2. So 2 and 2 to get a total of 4 kids, plus 5C3 times 13C1. I'm just going to rewrite that a little bit. 13C1. So our total of the people on the committees are still 4. And then the last one I'm going to try and squeeze in here. We've got 5C4. I know that got a little crowded on my answer key here. All right, so the first group with 2 and 2. And you can type this in all at once. I'm going to do them each little group at a time. So I have 780 for this first part, plus 130, and then for the 5C4, 5. So add those all up, and 915 is our answer here. All right, last question. How many different ways can 4 raffle tickets be selected if 50 tickets, from 50 tickets, if each ticket wins a different prize? So here, winning a different prize, it's going to matter what order your ticket is drawn in. So if you get the first place prize, that's going to be different than getting the 4th place prize. So this is a permutation. So there are 2 ways to do this. We can use the NPR button on the calculator and do 50p4. Or we can think about, we've got 4 prizes, and it just kind of counts down. So 50 tickets are in, if we think of it, kind of in the bowl when we draw the first one. But after we draw the first one, then there's only 49 tickets in there, and then 48 and 47. So no matter what way you do this, we should get the same answer. We will get the same answer. NPR 50p4. 5527200. Oop, wrong spot. All right, and then just to double check that we get it the same no matter what way. Yep, even if we type it all out, we get the exact same number there. All right, so this was a very short review. The test will be just as short. I guess a couple hints to make sure we're looking out for. When we kind of do the at least, at most, make sure you're going the right way. And that we're not just worrying about the category they asked about, for they said juniors, we also have to think of everyone else on the committee, everyone else that's being selected for whatever's going on. So it's going to have both multiplication and addition in the same problem. All right, good luck.